folks, in this travel trailers behind me, it has multi-function bunk rooms in the back with a nice king-size bed and versatile in the front. It is the brand new Wildwood 300 Ice with a 2-power AC, air conditioner on the top, power stabilizer jack, power awning, power tongue. But the reason why this is a unique, it is the bunk room in the back is 2 separate bunks with multi-functions. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video, the inside and the outside of the Wildwood 300 Ice. Let's start with the outside as we are here. So all the Wildwood, we talked about it before, it has the 3 separate piece of metal. So this is a solid metal, so it could handle the drive, no question asked. It has a metal sidings with a wood frame, and beautiful LED power lights over here. There's one right there by the TV bracket. So it's a perfect, it gives you nice ambiance. So when you put your 32-inch TV, they give you the bracket. You have a nice, beautiful light behind it. Outside shower, hot and cold. TV hookup. As well, you have the soda fridge or the beer fridge or the water fridge. Beautiful power awning with LED light. As you see, is big. Outdoor speakers. And then this is the switch to extend the electric stabilizer jack. There's one switch for the back, one switch on the front. In the beautiful, you could see from what I'm talking about, 2 different bunk areas with multifunction, and that we're gonna touch it when we go inside. A backup camera, expandable ladder outside, spare tire and a cover. And then you see here's the beautiful slide sofa, city water connections, cable satellite, all the sewage hookup right there with 50 amp service plug. And also over here you have the endless hot water heater, the Suburban one, electric tongue jack, 2 propane tank with a cover. Let's go inside. One thing nice about this one is 2 entry door, 1 to the master bedroom in the front, 1 through the living room. And we're going to show you the inside of the 300 Ice with the multifunction bunk room in the back. Coming in. As soon as I walk in, you're going to see on the left side of me is the multifunction bunk room. The whole conversations today is going to be about this section in the back. As you see, it's 2 separate bunk room in the back. What does it mean? If you have daughters, they could go in this bunk room. So they have their own sofa. They have their own TV brackets. They could put their 32-inch TV here, plug it in, play their Xbox. They have giggling, laughing, having fun, good time. Because again, this is turned to a bunk. And we're going to show you how you turn this. This is very easy. The kids love it. The kids love to lay down on this and play and watch TV. So you bring it in. Woo! Beautiful. Voila. Big bed. 2 people. They watch TV, they enjoy it, nice LED light, they have their window, USB plugged for their phone and their iPad. So 2 people here. Now, in this room, room number 1, I'm gonna call it, or bunk room number 1. 2 people here, easy, no question, even 2 adult, not just a kid. Now, if you don't wanna make them during the daytime, just raise it up and then become a sofa where the kids, they could sit and play. So let me put this one back. Yeah, beautiful window. I love this window. Okay, and then you do the cushion. And cushion number 2. All right. Now, so this is bunk room 1. And then they have their own door. Voila. Full privacy. Now we're going to go bunk room number 2 after this one. And that's what we're going to show you from here. Another bunk. They have their own office. They could do their homework. So I'm kind of sitting here with a laptop doing my homework. Nice step to get in. And voila, a nice bed. Now, here's the nice trick, what I'm going to show you. Do you know this upper bunk, I could make it a bigger bunk, and I could sleep even more people? Let me show you. You come over here, you take this latch off, you bring it in, another bunk. Voila! Look, cameraman, stay there. Let me show them. Woo! Another big bits. Love it, love it. I could sleep any way I want. I could sleep this way, or I could sleep this way. So one adult, two at the bottom. So I could sleep 4 big people in this bunk room multifunction. And I have full privacy with this pocket door on this side, as the camera is going to show you, and pocket door in the other side. So if you close that pocket door, you have full privacy. Now, the cameraman, he could come over here to the left. Hello. He could go to the right side. Hello. Now, he could go from that side and close that bunk and use that latch. Voila. Done. And then the cameraman could come and show you when it's closed in this side. So this way, you could see all the different version or the different layout and functions of this bunk room. Forest River, they're genius thinking about this one, because I could do all kind of stuff with this trailer. And get close. Now, if this is in your way, by the way, this here, let me, voila, close. And then this one latch right there. So this is what is the multifunction bunk room. Now, walking through here, we have another multifunction dining table. What do you mean by multifunction? Look, this is the table like that. There's a TV on a switch. I could go up. I could go down to gain more counter space. This trailer, I could put 4 TVs. 5, one outside, and then I close this. Voila. So as a and then you gain more counter space. And then this table, we demonstrated in the previous extent. I could get more people sit here. So if I sit 1, 2, 3, 4, plus more counter space to put food on. Come with a fireplace, as you right there. And it has the nice shelving. It's facing the dining. During the daytime, just close it. And then you could use only 2. Voila. You have a nice pantry with doors. Put a big TV, like 50-inch TV, on that bracket. Done. And then you have again 3-seat sofa. So I could sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people on this unit with no problem. And then this sofa, it has a lot of storage underneath. Also, this one turned to a bed if I want to. Again, there's too many beds. Jackknife sofa, you put this. More shelf for pads. Now, kitchen is speak for itself. Why? Solid, and you have a microwave with a slide underneath the hood, with a kitchen hood, 3-burner range, oven, cooking pan tray, and then there's a place for more doors. And then we talk this in different Wildwood. This one has the app and the phone where you could function the jacks and all of that. And again, there we always store it in the bag. And then there's a place here to hang it and plug, because this one you could open awning, close the awning, open jack, stabilizer jack, and see about the leveling of your tanks. More storage here. I mean, they don't waste any space. They try to utilize every space. Beautiful open shelf here and there. Big window. Hanging. And then you have a beautiful pantry here. Place for trash can. Again, more doors. Hanging. Tall things. Pantries. 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. Spotter. 2 AC on this unit. AC in the living area. AC in the bedroom. Nice pocket door for separation between the kitchen and the bedroom and the bathroom. Going to the bathroom, it has the nice oval shaped mirrors. And then storage with LED light underneath. Medicine cabinet. Big porcelain toilet. Linen closets. Standing shower, roomy and no issue with height and elbow. Now going to the bedroom, if you want more privacy in the bedroom and you don't want nobody to see what's your bed, there's a solid pocket door. Versatile bed. It's a king size 66 by 78 versatile. So you can raise it up. You get more room for cleaning, for dressed up, getting in and out. See, easy to get in. You lay down on it and nice. There's a location for another 32-inch TV with hanging like pajamas, ropes. Now a huge closet, or I could stand up here and to prove for you, you could add a stackable washer and dryer here, the big one. It's a 50 amp service to AC, so no problem. I could put a stackable washer and dryer for you. And then you have a storage in the top with the shelf for CPAP machines. You have a lot of bins here for storage for, you know, underwear, socks, shoes. And if you're a morning person, you want to go from that, you have your own door right here. So 300 ice, it's unique. No one ever thought about this upper bunk going down, and now I have a big queen bed in the top, and then I have another nice double bed over here for sleep 2 adult. Physically, I could sleep total 6 big adult, 2 on the top, 2 at the bottom, and 2 in the front. It's a unique unit. 300 ice. Again, we shopped, we brought them from Indiana, and we got you the best price at Best RV. Come and look at the 300 ice.